Join us in Mexico City, where we head south of the city to Xochimilco, which is a beautiful little town full of vibrancy and markets and these gorgeous canals filled with these cute, bright coloured boats to take tourists and locals out for a fun day on the water with margaritas and food and music, and what an incredible day. But first, I have to negotiate a boat because we opted to not go on a tour, which was a mistake, which we'll tell you about later in the video. But for now, watch me struggle trying to speak Spanish very poorly while I negotiate a good outcome for a day on the boat.
Explain what we're asking.
So we're trying to go out on the boat, and we know that it includes food and drinks and music, and we know that it's like an hour and a half. So we're heading out on this boat tour in Xochimilco in Mexico City. Had to do some hard negotiations to get our boat. We've got a guy with a stick who's going to take us out, and we think we've negotiated food and margaritas, but we are not 100% convinced until we get going. So let's see how it goes. We opted to not come on a tour and just to come out here ourselves and check it out. So I'll be able to tell you after our tour to see whether or not we think it's better to go with a tour guide or whether to go on your own like we have done. When we first arrived, as always at these kind of touristy places, we were not really sure who to believe for price, and the first lady started saying it was $1,500 per 40 minutes, and now we are going out for 2 hours. So let's see what we are getting for our 1,500 Mexican pesos. The boat next to me is not looking very good. Look at the boat. Look at this boat. We really wouldn't want to be going out on that one. Look at it.
Explain something. So he's just shown me his arm. Have a look over here.
Oh, wow.
So in the water, Mexican walking fish in the water.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
This is our man who promised us the world.
He's pretty gangster.
He is.
So there's kind of only one thing that we really thought was important, and that was tequila. And I'm not seeing where the tequila is hiding.
No.
Hopefully we're picking it up on the way somewhere.
Nick has decided to negotiate with a vendor before we kick off to grab a Corona or two, and we've kind of realised that we're probably not going to be getting filled up with unlimited margaritas like we had hoped and seen advertised elsewhere. Anyway, we are enjoying watching the boat driver manoeuvre us out of this very tight scenario where we are stuck in the middle of a whole bunch of these boats, and we're just going to sit back, relax and enjoy the ride.
We're sharing a beer. It's meant to include tequila and food and music, but so far I haven't seen any tequila, any music, or any food. And it goes for an hour, and I think it's going to take about 45 minutes to get out of here. So we'll see. Look at their big bottles of Corona.
We're nearly getting free.
Hola! We're free! You're stuck with us!
They're off. So you've been negotiating a little hard out.
Yeah, they started at $2.50, which is like $20. Same price as Australia. So we've negotiated just for one tequila, one margarita.
One margarita.
So we've got them down to $1.50.
So they're going to make us a margarita.
Also, look at this, they got these big cups.
It's like one of the things that we are quickly learning about this canal trip is that there's a lot for sale and a lot of people trying to sell you all sorts of, some interesting, some not so interesting. There's a guy over here with an eagle and you can get a picture with the eagle.
We got a little bit stitched up, didn't we? Because we thought it was all inclusive. We did a bit of Google Translate and he said it included music, tequila, food, everything.
Yeah. And it does if you go on a tour.
Yeah.
So here's some music. So the music, they come onto your boat and they charge you about $300. Here's the eagle.
like a picture with Iggy?
That's okay. Very cool though.
Thank you.
When you woke up this morning, do you think you'd be on a boat with someone trying to get you to have a picture with an eagle?
No, I did not. No, I did not. There's everything here. There's little stops along the way. We just went past one before where they have snakes and guinea pigs and other little things that you can have. Probably if you jump off, I would say that you pay to have a touch of the snake.
Come on, son. Basic, chile.
Do you have fun?
I've only got 200. We got some corn, some fresh corn.
Nice.
Just putting something on there.
Chile, chile.
Do you want chili?
Yeah.
She's always up for a bit of spice.
And 45 the corn.
Bargain.
Oh, this looks amazing.
Got a bite? Tell us what it tastes like. Is it good?
It's charred, spicy.
Let me get right in there. Take a big bite. Yum. So Mexican corn was a bit disappointing.
It's a different style of corn, so it's not really juicy like what we're used to. It's a white corn. And I said yes to the chili, but I shouldn't have because it's quite hot.
And we're kind of out of drink.
And we're out of drink, so nothing to wash it down with. So the corn might have to maybe go to the ducks. Let's see how he goes as our...
It's pretty tough.
You've had one turn. You've got to steer the boat. You've got to put the pole on that side. I know that side.
So I'm good, I've got it.
Whoops.
I'm not even touching the ground.
That was a fail.
It's actually really
We down.
Oh,
We've hit the wall. Tell us about that experience.
It's actually really deep. I didn't push the ground at all.
Oh, didn't you?
No, out of like all 4 times I pushed it, I was just pushing the water.
Now he's got to sort us out.
He's like white people. So this dog's just hopped on the boat,
Do you need to put the dog off?
but he lives back there.
Yeah?
We've got chaos on the boat. The dog has hopped on. But he lives all the way back there.
Do you want it?
What do we do with the dog, Carolee? You gotta throw him ashore.
You don't belong on the boat.
3, 2, 1, go! See you, mate. We've found a bar. We're gonna head up for a drink.
Check it out. It's not easy finding one of these boats though, is it?
No. No, it's not. We made it, thank you. Gracias. She said she wanted a tall, hard drink. It's definitely a stiff drink up there. I think we found ourselves a good margarita. Giving it a try. It's good. What do you think?
It's a good margarita.
Not bad. I don't know who that is or what these dolls have done to deserve this, but this is definitely a little bit creepy. Come on, Bobby, let's go party.
The margaritas on shore were definitely the best ones. We can highly recommend getting off to stretch the legs, get a drink on shore and use the bathroom as well. We were now heading back up the canal to be dropped back where we started from.
And we're done. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's get some feedback. What do you think?
It was so much fun. Relaxing, fun. Yeah, if you want a hardcore party time, I'd say definitely go on a tour because then you're going to be with lots of other people and apparently they give you unlimited margaritas. Their food is pretty expensive compared to what you can buy out in the street because they've got a captured audience, right? So they can charge you $25 for a margarita. But apart from that, it was awesome.
And Mexicans seem like a good time, eh?
They seem like such a good time. All of the boats were filled with families, partying, having a fun time, lots of music. It's awesome. Loved it. Let's go check out the town.
If you love exploring local places, then come and join us in the next video where we explore the village that surrounds the canals. It is a beautiful little place and we made some super fun and unique discoveries. We would love to have you come along for the journey.